Today is day 5 of the Flylady 31 Baby Step Challenge. Can you believe it? We've been baby stepping for a whole week, and I say that because this is the Baby Steps Challenge with a twist. We will be taking the weekends off. So tomorrow and Sunday, we will not be adding anything new, only establishing the habits that we've already been doing, which so far have been shining our sinks, dressing to shoes, and yesterday we also put some sticky notes by our sinks and our mirrors to remind us to continue said habits. Today we're going to do something a little bit different, a little bit more mindset related, if you will. But if you haven't done so already, I do have a free follow along calendar that you can get linked down below. And if you want to go deeper into the challenge, have a private community with accountability, follow alongs, exclusive guides, and bonuses, and do not forget there are memberships available that you can grab. The highest tier is just $20 a month, and you also have the option to pay yearly if that's something you're interested, and you get 2 full months off when you choose to do so. Today we're going to be canceling out those negative thoughts and words that we may be speaking to ourselves, whether out loud or just in our minds, and we're going to replace them with kind words. Sometimes we don't talk to ourselves very kindly, but that's going to change today. The same way we speak to our beloved children, pets, significant others, any loved one in our lives, and yet sometimes we can be our own biggest bully. So today, any negative word that we may be thinking or saying about ourselves, we're going to twist it into something positive. We're going to speak kind words to yourself. If you have nothing negative to say about yourself, then great. Still join in on this challenge. Go to your mirror and say some kind words to yourself out loud. And every single time you find yourself thinking negatively or speaking negatively about yourself, moving forward, we're going to change that into a positive word. Okay, can we do that? Let's be sure to lock in by writing done in the comments down below when you finish. And don't forget to continue to shine your sinks and dress to shoes. And I'll see you Monday for day 6 of the Flylady 31 Baby Step Challenge. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye.